Well, as I said, I'm going to try and come on so I'm going say Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV, so I did this and come away, yeah, day, bro. Quickly, and your mommy and son, I'm passing me down a ditch roll, and Unim said, the Maui Ghana and Ibapa, a bro, so now, also a proud Ghanaian, no. The kind say, Unyama, you be a woman of finance, so I become transparency, truthfulness, Nafi, the dimui pano, that sense of patriotism and love for your country. Very, very important. Obi biara odo man no nioma bia emfa o man no enko en munyam na emfa nko impeje mu no otwe ho fi ho. Obi biara odo man no okọ the extra mile say nkunim bia be ya o man dia. Nti mesre wona no pa bia me kan foma. Demonstrate these core values, exhibit them. Patriotism, love for your country, and then that of transparency and truthfulness. It doesn't matter baby Aujina on the political divide. The most important thing first is the Ghana agenda so that it makes you a proud Ghanaian. So help me God. It's very important. The Tosu Biemonso, Afofo in Amonshan so said the big homecoming in Ebaso. Now on the 30th and 31st of December and the 1st of January 2023, the biggest homecoming festival, 3-day event, Yedibro Afono. Yedibro Kwanso. Nami had my 30th of September, Yedepa, a year and tuma. Nafi, Ampofo-Adjei na the details of the program. In Tiafasa Kwenya Wisun Enchia, local organizers ni na no, any national organizers ni na Momo ni Ejumapa Moye Nananom Titu under the able leadership of George Boache, for regional minister, and Afi Yebeda, your Council of State member Nana Baswa. There was a power for his immense contribution, and then the chief executive Bechem United, Kent's Cottage, Penyipan Era Agama, and the Casa Rosa, Munina Motache Sonko, and the for Development Association, Munina Motache Sonko, Yadamasida, and Sayada Sajmedi Kasewi, Basso. Mijina for Mamen Sans Seminian Mamoa for Tichuma, Newmont for the Mo site, new site in neighborhood for North for America Sachemi, Madaroma. Maintain Wazibia in terms of Newmont foresight, Ombe occupy no. Oma Bibia and Cobro, Dananum, Madaroma, Adeshia more, youth are more, Mebuna more, Bibian Quadrubro. Mentia Sienese, they are setting up a secretariat. I want to Wazibia, wow, maybe qua, if we say Sisika Crowno, Ubetime Acosa, Bia, na also a call, can't own Sema a here. Na washama be ye hwema sabi Newmont so far 6 in Daniel 9 and almost the fufu be Daniel quiet but ye be hwe se mpuntu be ba afo ze kwa pese afo 2 pontem no eno hu komo na ibedi ba sisie so ye ma obi sisie obi ana ye ma obi so nyemre nto asem so ye nyina kaboma ana afo dimu na ewi pe odi mabunu ku ahodo abo afo north esremo Montomo boase na bibia ntimi nko kama emfa man because Newmont eba na munyam sheba o my Ghana ana ye munyam shezuma afo wa water kire adroba ya mfoni crowd abaka nyina no mabunu nyina no momien kamom na yenwena afo yi die ni kan kon mo so a mo should say mo relief packages na ewo form no. That is why the secretariat is there and enyen tokwa de di asem nye di atem de di asem yedi yetna se nya baba nya kire ya adwene nya to adwene enne edi ntimese se moma yi entoa yi ewo. We are back to the studio. Mensin Krachi they so no introduction here CID politician no one confirm bibia to as well fa di ba akoro do dia page room here CID but the friend official name ne Kwampoku. That's the politician for you. Or Mensin Krachi or Manson Obi Krom nchen only Obi Krom ne boshe. Obi Krom no ye krase chen. Mimi okrom. Well Mosiaso for no bachia ya mo. Oh my Mosiaso din. You see Obi Krom. So my other say Adom Amansia South Mensin Krachi Clement Opoku Jemfi. Dodo na nim say friend CID ada want transi Adom all be that say you told us from so by me aminu so e wa hanim say era Edem Agbana National Deputy Youth Organizer ma NDC amanyoko. A potential member of parliament. In fact, me can a campaign team no underground. Yeba se kakai any Brazil near deba.
Oh, Ashanti Vijana.
There's coming a day we break his agents no. Oh, we have voter region.
Question. Maybe say, oh, Ashanti Vijana. So you say who region now? They also. It's Ashanti Vijana.
Every similar, about break his agents no Ashanti region. For now, they all concentrate on voter region.
What a channel.
That's your mind.
Good. They be one of how more party based, more organizing to whip up enthusiasm for the general elections. Maybe I'm not going to come.
My chair is here for any share. And power. Now platform no, my go very, very, very far. Weekend we make my constituency. Na me call Krasebe ewo me constituency. Ma maybe by 68, 70 years. Or say, oh, last week me call Adom TV. I'm a surprise kakra because me name say platform they call very far, but that in voter region and I mean yanka tree kasa wo but so to me share wa and which is a platform there. A very big
address them no more a part of them with their language. Address them.
Mami address you akpe na me na me o kata le me akpom to cartoon off. Le cartoon to me kata ma wona yira me abala me nyan na me le doaji alebe cartoon off constituency na kpo ngo yi ta ko mi gbona do dem agbana ele pekple do enye nko enka me kona akpe.
Okay, so ele pekple do just meaning Mpensenpensemu ntra baby. Na wono tika won se be.
Ele pekple do no. Ye local proverb here, ye party mpenifor any chiefs be a me constituency, dia mami. And where say he is ready for battle.
Okay.
Elekpekledu. Say we a soldier, always ready for the battle. Me starting me campaign ana, omu frame ye mami say dey no say elekpekledu say you abia
battle ready
battle ready you have the courage anyway where to me aye so a black one so ya man e din bi togbe wogbeji need any chere say obi a okasema oye
very
good
togbe wogbeji
obi a odini boshe so I mean
odi ose eye oyo
very good
there be men can very good because we buy modu na mebu no odi ose eye oyo
obi a odi ose eye oyo okay won see ide ko won say we chiri oyin ezio na Adom TV platform met me about I think say I can say bia obi say obi oni obi mu experience be na mama obi a obe chere me you know at a very good time
see because you want to say
on my nyame Adom bibia eboko boni bia ne
but a control system no work come
certainly yes
so school ko no and school dining konya no and what am to say
eguso ye good ye obetu aye no nkwa ne so
good
the nyame boa next year be san ba je foforo se nkwa ne foforo so be nyini also mso nyam
what control galamsey hu nsensem nyina
yeguso eko enye ko a obi oman ye betimi se ene ye eti hei ne akon atu ase no me metina ha na me kase ya control bibia basa na gidia wo mu se me ye no kwafo no na ehihim yenye ni nyina ne mu yeguso a yeko just last week oma no mo wonsu so river finish akwache 9 umko court ya remand omo to police custody for 2 weeks jina nyambo next week Thursday umbe come back to court
okay
nti ye wo ho nyina say
monya attention kakra omo kwan no
yes nyame Adom me no kase kra on the main road no that's the kind of the district capital contractor was so kasa make us say also our year juma
okay
nti yenye bibia anase men kan say ye ma district no enye say bia enkran ne mum de wo say ye ana mo a wo say to bia ya sha say a
okay
ti guso
I see Adom, quick one on the SIM card re-registration of Yemra. Just quick one because you're too few preoccupied about the main subject.
But as a matter said, telcos no. I hold say the blocking of SIM cards no. Good news. Good news because on my henny. On my Ghana yedi emra and I yedi ye juma. Into we a public servant, we a politician, I am my opportunity say who serve as minister. So who say you are being paid with the taxpayers' money to serve the people of Ghana. And you say Ghana for and serve you. Honorable Eslo who started each directives or in your man. Some of us warned, my warning say she should get off her high horse. Don't realize this, she is here to serve the people of Ghana. Now, we are Minister of State in charge of communications. And now, woman directives say, I'm blocking SIM card anyway. First question I say, Ubisa won't say, Emra is supporting our directives now. Public policy, and law. Obiaji to say be a registration and a re-registration of your SIM card no. A very, very good initiative. And no, a bet to me a prevent it, SIM fraud, nay, scammers na ye when obi bet to me a fraud mami, crassy. Now I catch and say, my send you security dial it, *170# and now follow process way. By the time I owe you a seeker, she has lost it, and I have seen many people are almost victims. And you agree say re-registration is a good thing. But instrument I had the re-registration, I had Ghana card no. We have seen that the NIA no and our NCA, any Ministry of Communication, only control their oversight instruments. It's your Ghana for be bria, pay card no ba nya card. Uko NIA office and wall, she has golf house or there. You will see the number of people are buy about 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., for me queue, pay Ghana card. Funny ko kasa bebre na be catch us start to say chases our Ghana card ne. It is if the NIA does not have the capacity to give everybody who wants a card now the card adena ube issue punitive measures I be prevent Sankrofonu from being able to use SIM card. Uba me constituency, me municipality, Ketu North. For close to 6 weeks, NIA office now, my excuse say they have run out of cards.
6 weeks.
6 weeks. Obi 6 good weeks. Almost say they have run out of cards. And na me wo. Upa for other districts, any municipalities now catch say NIA card no, they are not able to get the card. Inti adena obi epe card no aye ni registration. Enye ni fault say nipa no onya card no. Now one instruction na directive say you are blocking cards. Now that directive no, it is against the law. Because to show your LI guiding your SIM card registration, LI 2006 now, it has nothing about giving such powers to the Minister of Education. So obe blocking. Minister of Communication. Sorry. Minister of Communication said obe blocking your SIM card. Inti so tina ona said they be our man directives as he said, yeah. Nkola ye one nursery school na ye headmistress. Now my directives and I'm blocking SIM card. May you say your friend say dika mobile money your friend loan quick loan. You be say ni say it's all bisani who say am I working with the law?
It will GDM again also say
ye nya bochre na ye empower NIA to be able to make the cards available. Say majority of Ghanaians work card no now say they don't have they are not registering now. And no, ube to me, ama policy directives be. But until say Eslabe call Parliament, Adjei approval for some of those punitive actions. No, the law is against such actions. Until the now last week, no, it was clearly against the law, lawlessness. Now, meaning say nipa bebre, including Madam for A+, Omako court. I was going to go to court myself too. Obi, we have to work with the law. Secondly, who your minister? Who be imposing fees and not charges and say we call parliament. There is nowhere we a public institution who impose charges without approval from parliament. That is what the public financial law says. It's in our universities semi-autonomous sometimes. No? Before we impose school fees, they go to parliament to seek approval. So I have 5 cities now, ESLA, charge on the online registration. App now, buy Sikabebre, app Nukana, Juma ye. Why are we wasting the resources of the state this way? And yes, science like Korea and your COVID mo, omudi COVID tracking app be buy millions of dollars. How useful has that app been? Okay, omudi musicians buy launch that app, millions of dollars. That COVID app no, ne hu fa so then what has been the use? Contact tracing no, they still did it manually. That app became, as a friend said, some moribund app there, omu using it there. Meanwhile, the state paid so much. Omu launch here, omu the musicians be brave by app now. Or say you call download it. Oh yeah, you using iPhone, iOS. Still, that app no any iOS. It is a Ghana nibi a person here registration no online. That's a nipa no kita iPhone na. Onye de obenya sa app. Meanwhile, when you start the process, ube to have 5 CDs. Why are we destroying our country this way?
I see. So finally, you say yen share a quiet fast wa ye be block or amount for cards no. Na yen be mo an kopim say obi abaye okay say a reasonable percentage of Ghanaians enya card ni be Ghana card no.
Obi, say institutions no.
And then we are on the media channel because uzo free fragmentem. Say o say obi din ediko immigration officer. E ho ni ti me cho say o for obi din na odi juma. 3 times obi o hina ni me call him prensa. Media channel no.
Media
say one ye careful.
Fache me. Omahene. Obi a me campaign manager pa na ma fra obi. Omahene, fache me. Na omahene Obisa question are very important. Those are oko systems are ejuma. Omaya you say institutions ejuma. There is something very critical. Integration, any collaboration of state institutions. NCA a state institution. They are paid with the taxpayers' money. NIA a state institution. And a Ministry of Communication a state institution. Adena, we see these disjointed efforts. There don't seem to be any collaboration between them. No collaboration because omo collaboration who say NIA backlogs of about 2 million Ghanaians are registered here, but they still don't have their card. It is a whole person who issue punitive measures. NIA should have been able to give them details of microphone because who register now you capture biometric no even before you get your card who details in your system no. So there should be that integration so that who are not, it is no fault of theirs say ni Ghana card no, they will be prevented from suffering the effect of some of these actions. Secondly, Obi omahini issue no buy and him say nipa bebre omo ye registration kra omo say omo ni their SIM card no ye block here. Nipa bebre complaining ye say including ewa ufie ha one of our colleagues our sports your friend no and the dusty crowd metie no radio so no so kan say wa register ni SIM or ni telco your registration with Ghana card but you're blocking SIM no for 48 hours. Now you're blocking it there no. What shows say the system is working effectively?
You must see ID Meda Sagbana. Okay, so CID.
Meda was bio. I think Sansana may make submissions no. Birthday ma. Wa unia Honorable Davis Pokwansa.
Oh, OPK.
MP ma prior.
Oh wow, happy birthday.
No, happy birthday to him.
Oh my Ghana. Yes. Public Accounts Committee or Takrade. Tebasa na party no. Yeah. You move by so enti senior PK mpacho mema oda pa. Yeah, wa happy birthday.
Oh, a fine gentleman pa.
And then holding at the mouth. And now face so about your back on the birthday. Vera Hinebasafwa.
Ghana
Most beautiful queen 2015. And then I would that
Now you're Virginia or Legon.
Yes, no correct. No, I think Legon Hall, right?
So far.
You know. And so on.
Your mind more na much train na mo mo say say. Because more na mo sabe president ministers. And I mo say.
Why no you're Virginia or school.
My main is being called so. My patrona I read here. Messer na bisa Adom. Say we register ni seminar.
Oh yes, of course.
Before Esla we no buy number.
All right. So I registered here metwaso. The time we bisa say on say any submissions no. Question now bisa is what is the way forward? Because you block a man for some cards. So we say Jai sa decision now mo eteki. Now on my church no. Tina oyo on my hin no. On my church eye adwumaden. Nya de a wote hwa say dakro na da church man. Eme de so no any submissions. Or say you put systems in place. Mene no ya adwene efa bi ewo ne submissions no ho. Efa bi so ha mene nya adwene. Efa bi a mene nya adwene ye efa na wode minister no esi ho na it say ono ne wo personal issues. Eno de nka wanfa ma ha na nkeye. But the baby am ne ya adwene systems na wo say eye adwuma. We be to say NIA because the mbrana ba say and I say directive number say I was say ansa na betima register with SIM card no. Yes say okura Ghana card nko a. Ghana card no so no. Mbrana ma kwan say institution ba ko pe na issue Ghana card. Oba me district a. Brebi a me wa kwasra omo office obi abekona ni po ho a ompeso mu omo Ghana card. Di sa nipa no se bia owo ne SIM card no nyanya na Ghana card just o register enye pacho what say Ghana card registration is so no you register onuma edi mfie dunum eko mewo enkwara bi wa modi bia mfie du 9 eba form bi ono no so ne tablet bi o use a SIM eda so a odisua ade enti se eba sa na se wo se block sa enkwara no so dia na well we wetin my argument say na wo phone no betimi ayede I register. What if na wo phone so so ntimi nya almost SIM card? I'm speaking for my district because ho na mete ho na mehu say de nyoma ne ko nti many of them ya adwene on that part say I was say ye hwe na ye empower the NIA no so etumi a registration. However, and a big however, say ye tena ho so saa ye hwe han ye nim ye Ghana for na o my time I watch radio Peters woman cry assignment na aka cha kwara ne say for assignment dey na tell BT students no dey ama o ya wada so Monday now mo dey aban etemu oh my more this me ogro ho
o de sana Monday abedu
Monday ni bedu afira na o be say edem to na me fan to chi na me nkyere ay typical of blacks we say ye nyina akọ school ni bi enim say de ekọ in fact philosopher bi kura kan say oma nipa adwuma na aka chere say adwuma we mesre ofa na otweye na otwere obitimi aye deliver man the same adwuma na aka chere say fa na miensa eye na miensa no obitimi aye deliver cause ye wo nkofo bi a typical of me do office na adwuma gu mi table so a me claim mi table so a me nko me nyampon ye obi wo so odbegu o chena oh that's it enti say in as much say ye hwe say ye be ma NIA no amanfo benya o mo card say be o metima registration no e wo say etimi so hwe say amanfo so emfa no emma meye yastic I say obegina no so say menya me card nti bi kwa na ontu ho na mo so kwa kwagina card
amanfo te eti da ye kaza om de ahwase
na so more time SIM card registration deadline yede ababako yede abambienu in fact the second time na eso no me honorable Collins Osu Amankwa former MP ana yete Kokroko studio ana ye nyina ye patch se eso a yesre omo extended na at least a break akra mrem na onu ma ntumi nye no because our argument then say amanfo nya omo NIA card no which no correct because you won't go with omu nyanya This all can say no what they blockade the panel. You have not been fair to the person. However, the ono soon to one among say ono kwa eko akwa card no. Na ayi wanya Adom ene honorable Sam George ana ni nua ba akwa aka na yakọ party ase no mo gina Stubborn Academy. So we yes sir. Ono we Stubborn Academy or register the same card o. It is a who did achi. Say any nyina Stubborn Academy, the boys at the back. Near to only ADD. Now want to register same card. Near Stubborn Academy. Aya wo and when you asem no ko. Mesre Stubborn Academy for mumi nyai. Go yes sir, ministers we nipa we say we minister to chan. We nipa. So the directives beba. Nyina agya tum ye na asa amafo bi ehuru ne bo. Ah uni mosla. Enti abasa wo de cheopa bi akora akokora onsum. And to the discretion. So betimi ahwe say oh ade we dey ha say dem kan nipa ne bi ntimi nya o card nti o yem san mientum e bia bosume ba ko bosume mienu na be bia tum na nipa na no TV so e ka no e Stubborn Academy organizer na wo ma hene wo pa ka beti ase
well say Stubborn Academy no wo dey nchire mu ba say say o hwe kwan ye ma me esla any NC for ne NI for the hye ne fashion omo gidi say tosi almost said raise a very good point. And no lawyer Chimbere Makra raise you because he's on say. If we exercise now, deadline that was on Tiasi. If says he win and now, at the chance still you go to register a year amount for. It in people who be bribino.
But registration must also come to an end.
It's a continuous process.
No, I get it. But at least if you have a fair idea
of Nipa,
a cross SIM card, Nipa a register. You see, on my chichiri. You say, on my movie from the brick and mortar said yeah no matter na. You say bia baba electronic. On my what here? Ubeti me ache obiska. Wabra wa friend Nipa no kura yiska na answer because bia wa connected with bank account to be a mobile money. What your weekend now? What chirewa? Utimi yiska our bank or bank enya adwuma. I mean that is a system you are trying to build. Tu kwan kwa amanfo amanso a mutu kwan na say amko France by mba na better radio na mutwae. So ko France but o man hunu say France na ho aye kama ne no. Wo kwa wani agye.
There were certain sacrifices.
Amanfo made sacrifices. They made a lot of sacrifices. Say or see a share and crime rates ewo soro amanoni ho enso so esi ya na achi nipa no because systems na ye adwuma ye betuma tracy we fa ha we say na quick e ba bachi Ghana Police Service cameras and omda bo bokromi oman who di boni bi na wa adwon ye say cameras ni hu aboa because me manya opportunity awura omo dan na TVs ne wo ho na omo tete akire ehwe no ama omo de track ya kokoche am robbers bi a omo kodi ewu enti say that is the system we are building. Sebeya or China Bino, BBC Kim. That's it. As soon as you so move.
Okay. That's it. But the most important thing, we all agree.
Exactly.
That's the most important thing. We all also agree. Say a Ghana card you could NI for no. Among Harry or Mokakra. Na nipa do do na omo cards na kem no. Enti my telcos that unnecessary block na mo de buy no. It was uncalled for. Because officially, you cannot 30th September. And I bear said, man. Minim hwehwe ni mo ba ya
NCA.
Yo ekobas ade na. NCA crash chocolate.
But omahene.
But I don't know.
Me no. Me brother Oka, it should be about Stubborn Academy.
Una yo mo ayi.
Oh yeah, me your registrar. Your registrar. Now you recruit more members. Because me you call a demonstration, Rise Ghana demonstration. Yeah. Me phones me in Nigeria, and it's a matter of public record. To me come tell
NDC for now call demonstration.
Oh, there be police, many police phone na enya confrontation and phones in Nigeria. It's a matter most stations can report here. It got missing within the police, but that's a different issue. And to me call the event saying, me telco, me call ye. Me got on new SIM card. Omo ye no mandatory say we do Ghana card. Until they did it upon that. Then yes, until me were 3 different numbers. Me third number no. Me say me register. The 30th September back. Somewhere somehow. Omo ye blockage no in the last couple of days no. That third number no da so ye edwuma wo say sister na enche dey effective after 30th September omo block his number na omo hin make court because they don't have the power to block it.
Okay, so
me registration now no because I want to register for a matter of policy.
Okay, so
after 30th September
you be
block here me court.
You be by discussion is going to be on the Attorney General and the President of the land. Some way somehow responding to matters of the former President John Dramani Mahama. So quick one. President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Adjei says the Attorney General and Minister of Justice has his full support to prosecute Aisha Huang, the notorious Chinese national accused of engaging in illegal mining in Ghana with impunity. Another one says that unwarranted attacks on judiciary deplorable, embarrassing. Dame fires Mahama. Attorney General and Minister for Justice Godfred Yeboah-Dame has raised concerns over what he describes as unjustified attacks on Ghana's judiciary by former President John Dramani Mahama. Mr. Dame says the unwarranted utterances dent the image of the judiciary, a development that threatens the peace and well-being of the country. There's a quotation here. It was a great dismay and embarrassment that I heard a person who has occupied the highest office of state, that is the former president, recently launched an unwarranted attack on the integrity of Ghana's judiciary. I observed that this was the latest installment of systematic attack by the former president, albeit unjustified. The Attorney General, who was addressing lawyers at the Ghana Bar Association annual conference in Ho, said well-meaning Ghanaians ought to call out the former president, lest his conduct derails Ghana's democratic growth. I am compelled to comment on the same in this address because they border on the security of the state and constitute a deliberate pattern of conduct aimed at undermining the independence of the judiciary, an arm of government whose autonomy is crucial to its proper functioning. Such conduct is clearly deplorable, coming from one who has occupied the highest office of president and aspires again to that office. At this moment, it is important for all of us to note that I express this sentiment not because I stand in opposition to former President Mahama as a politician, Mr. Dame said. So, Yakwaba, Yaba, Adom Agbanabe say the party leader our former president, no, how Ositiase, Yakwaba. Okay, so quickly, member yenwe wajibre awoshe bribiada member wabaso say edawase. Happy birthday, Mrs. Perpetual Amponsa, who a debt management officer. Ahenema Kokobi ECG Business Center. Efi Ura Honum Besmark Adoma Area Manager Network Project Ashanti SBU of Electricity Company of Ghana. So Ura. Ura Bismarck Adoma and our dema hokeni Mrs. Perpetual Amponsa ti happy birthday and echo ediama eda se also bribe da gibre share Adom TV eresi and so say Vida Asari happy birthday if you know for Akusia Dorcas and Priscilla, almost radin ko sunshiraw na ondomo o adoye kese oye edemo so Vida Asari happy birthday sunko enkomo immigration officer macha no pay then DSI
Sam
DSI Sam yes okay adwuma no I know Coco be a Sunday morning. Good morning. Yaba back. Adom, you understand of what your president, my president former, and your party leader said, as against what the Attorney General is saying.
My Andra made Honorable Godfred Dame, Attorney General, and I may say President Akufo-Adjei, parts of in his speech. I almost responded to President Mahama. And also kind.
Oh, okay.
Comments to that President Mahama made. My judiciary no. Say I say judiciary a human institution. One of the 3 arms of government. Now, none of the 3 arms of government are above reproach. So, who criticize judges and the judiciary? There is nothing wrong with it. One committee crime, into Godfrey should come again. Say, comments now, President Mahama make here unwarranted. They are dangerous to the survival of your democracy. The open bias and the lopsidedness of your judiciary. Recently, I see the four comment and echo conduct survey. Majority of Ghanaians say they don't have confidence in your judiciary. That is a clear indication. Say the President Mahama is a reflection of what majority of Ghanaians are saying about the judiciary. Then President Mahama strange and any first time I hear. Now any kroma and announce echo conduct a secret investigation undercover. I who say judges ebimuji aponchi ebimuji bayire ebimuji sika influence your judgment. Inti ade angels are omuye sacrosanct, they don't make mistakes. Obika said the judiciary is not living up to expectation. Now, more descending on him in such a manner. President Mahama Oyeganani, he has occupied the highest office of the land. Or your president, he's been president, he's been vice, he's been an MP, he's been member of parliament and all of these things, minister and all of that. He has a responsibility. Says any state institution be Juma the way they are expected to do it. He has every right to talk about it. So President Mahama committed no offense by talking against or criticizing the judiciary. Omahini, issue of political biasness of judges and such no. Professor Atuguba, Dean of University of Ghana Law Faculty, or conducting research, the bias say, or no as a lawyer of international repute, as a professor of the law, we're conducting research into cases that have been ruled at the Supreme Court. And I realize this trend no say the appointment and now the period of appointment to me influencing the kind of judgments that are given by the Supreme Court. Professor Tuguba, or your lawyer, renowned professor of law, or your dean of the first law faculty in this country, University of Ghana Law Faculty, on only research. That was the outcome. Until you say political biasness is in the Supreme Court, is part of the judiciary. Your National Security Minister, Honorable Abet Kandapa can say the judges and our judgments say they should. I want to say it in a way. I want to really say the way I'll say Yansheni here. Senamuma judgment to say Nina in favor of Abaya and no it seems to be
one way.
Until he advised them against it and no national security threat. And a Kandapa or NDC now. This is your national security minister. I will receive a briefing on national security on daily basis, on hourly basis, up to the minute. Onuka have this perception, views no based on their own name about the judiciary. Until then, President Mahama Kaya, Boni for President Akufo-Adjei and Godfrey to go and be saying all those things at the Ghana Bar Conference. Omahini, I have no confidence in your judiciary, and I'm not shy to say it. Onim, Mamima, critical examples of political biasness of the current judiciary under Enim Yabua. And me can, I'm not, my minister society will state you know from it. And if the judiciary thinks that they may be untrue and I correct, they should hold me before the Supreme Court.
Hey.
Techiman case. Yet the Techiman Electoral Commission issue no echo court, challenging results. Judge no money ruling say the people of Techiman South, they cannot be without an MP. It's because of that, no, Papa no, your friend is saying, Omu MP na disgruntled, in the election disgruntled, no, he should continue going to Parliament until such a case the case will be determined. Bako, your consistency be your friend Usal. Sa constituent that omunye Ghana for ana omunye nipa. To the extent say Chachuchi Kata court judge no really say that case electoral commission should be given time to go and conduct the election. 2-3 years near the people of Sal are without a judge, they are without an MP. Same ruling, same judiciary, 2 different interpretations of the law. Now you can't say you're politically biased. You think say somebody is does not have the right to speak. Omayini, I see not MP. And then I'm in the unto me in parliament. I see not MP are electing duly unto me in parliament. Because the same judiciary now, or see, the people of Techiman South, because of Muamunya MPP, he should continue going to parliament until final determination of the case. No. Or no, they say until next year, he cannot go to parliament. Why are we doing this to the country that we all love so much? It is a see our political bias, our judiciary. We are speaking to facts, we are speaking to things that we are seeing. Dr. Opunike Sayeka, Omahini, Sa Papa na oyo hini ewo around Pando 2020. Otinasi Kase, ono he is praying, and now Kase the people of your friend is in a traditional area. Omuma President Akufo-Adjei second term. Papa na a judge. This man is a judge. Aoka, you can also see he said it in the capacity of a chief. Into all chief, no, he can declare political party support. Into Okokota, now I assume different nature now. Look at what they are doing. Papa no case no. Look at what they are doing to ensure. Says Papa no, he will rule on your friend is said Opuni case. To the extent, say Oko retirement. Say this man should have gone on retirement in May. But Godfrey Dami, I am saying it on authority. The only strength as Attorney General, I say, we have a lopsided judiciary. You shouldn't think that he's smarter than any lawyer anywhere. So me care about the judiciary, me can with a lot of pain on my knee. Another example, you will come here, and your friend is a journalist, be etinasi on Radio Gold. Eka issues be concerning the courts. Almost say they have scandalized the courts. They were sentenced to 4 months. Akogan, Mugabe, and a third person.
Lister.
Yeah, no. Uga Omahini, Mino Ukase. Then Kennedy Japan one care about the judiciary. He sat on his TV station, slighted the judiciary, openly insulted the judges. Just 30 case no, judge now alternate case no, so they transfer Papano from the case. Because on no MPP, so he doesn't deserve to be taken to court. What has happened to that case?
All these are your interpretations you're putting on.
It is not interpretation.
It's not what you think they are.
Yeah, about the fact say concerning an NDC personnel, we see what the judiciary does.
Okay.
Say about MPP and see what it does. It is Godfrey Dami. Mami, last thing I make a Godfrey Dami should know, sir. Godfrey Dami should know, sir. President Mahama will continue to speak.
Yeah.
Now, so on Nimna said they be a President Mahama Kasa, and he comes out to come and criticize President Mahama and slide President Damana will come after him. On no case, come to me for international court because of we don't have political charges.
That one.
Such a shame of an AG.
No.
Let's
address
President Mahama,
the issue. No.
President Mahama, you Nipa or you Ghanaian.
Calm down.
Okasa, who is Godfrey Dami to come and question President Mahama over his comment on the judiciary?
No. His
AG who is benefiting from lopsided judiciary.
No. Don't attack.
Please.
President
Mahama and Nipa, we also love him.
No, Tubasi.
Who is Godfrey Dami?
We love Ghana than the two personalities.
But President Mahama loves Ghana.
Hold on. Don't get overboard. We love.
We are not getting overboard.
No, we love Ghana.
But the air can say
hold on.
We'll continue to speak about the bias of the judiciary.
The emphasis is
President Mahama will speak.
No.
And Godfrey Dami has no power to come and talk about it.
Hold on.
Who is he?
Hold on. He's Ghana's Attorney General.
Attorney General benefiting from lopsided judiciary.
That is not what you're supposed to say.
President Mahama will talk about the judiciary.
Adam Tobasi. President Mahama,
justice now court bill.
Calm down. Justice is dependent on what you're looking at as justice anyway.
Sir, they are without
I say what had the breaka. Omana kasasa, omana family nina kasatin and toponko. I understand their frustrations. Me ti o ma say. He said, "Obi anywhere or dey asama kokota, what differ otutu pada egu no ho unya di for a judge na amwa judge ne bias ese untumi unioma da bia de hye ukashiri omai he o scandalize court o kan sema enye no kra ensem ugu court hu fia omai very dangerous se wo chekire omai a de tia me ka se kwabna sante wo tena hana wo ka sometimes you betimi dia chew but say as a former vice president, a former president of the land, all the time when you national security briefing. Na unim say what's more beka bia. Mo do international communities be so best ask investors. Say na Ghana kwa there. Ese judges kwa enye wana kai journalists for there. Omo dey men feel wana kai former president enye asem na ehu go for former president to say that ya oman in the 60s case bi ba Romo Feno Ray Akoto and 7 others JB down kwa na ye lawyer ema ye ba for Akoto agriculture minister papa o cha said the ruling no ko ya na nye JB down kwa de ama ene ye ba for Akoto lectures say judgment na ankoyi na unim ye ma ruling ni we JB down kwa wan ka we o sorry ya no say I accept no utwa so nana adodan kwa Akufo-Addo in 2012 election petition 8 months ye ma ruling ni we ya no say I disagree with the court but I accept it. I mean sana de chekere o man obi ani ho akọ court a wadi fo a ono de o say nani agye no tutu pada say medifonti. But sometimes we should be measured in yenema yeka. Na or the Godfrey Dame, Godfrey Adjei ato apaso ohoro no. So who is he? Oh, see, unim Godfrey Adjei a ana obetra wa keka de ope. He is one of the finest brains yenya as an attorney general. Say a lock-sided judiciary. Tina Godfrey dey winning cases. Godfrey started winning cases enyende. O my 2004 Godfrey don attorney general. Edianan versus Daily Guide. Na
what can say with Edianan?
Oh, Edianan versus Daily Guide. Na what they say Tony Liter. Yeah, President Mahama lawyer. Former Attorney General Marama Brew appear upon. No Tony Liter junior lawyer odina Chikokra books the court. Sa case immediately. Godfrey Adjei won that case in 2004. In 2005 Nana Koredo Ajima Rollins osiu atosam
a baby and some late.
Yes, for defamation against same Daily Guide. Godfrey Adjei na ye Daily Guide lawyer. Ochi for almost so. Na Attorney General ntiana. In 2009 Nana Kwade na opposition. Another one was cited for contempt. Raymond Acha. And he won. It is out to one study in Nipano. Uvisa na do sorry ya no koyi Godfrey Adjei so nya Attorney General. Wa share the track records and who say onimra onim de oka. No man. Ya sama na make oh. What does say?
Ewia, e be share, thank you.